Today we're going to show you how to change the control board on your dishwasher. It's a pretty easy job. All we're going to need is a number 15 Torx driver and maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power supply to the dishwasher, as we will be working near some live circuits. Next we'll open the door and remove 4 screws across the top and the next 2 down. So 6 screws in total. They're number 15 Torx. Next we'll tilt the control panel forward. And that gives us access to the component. Now that we have the control panel lowered down so we have access to the control board, we'll need to first of all remove the membrane switch. Just pull it out of its socket. Next we have 4 harnesses that we need to disconnect. There's a locking tab on one of them. You need to release that with a flat blade screwdriver. And just take note of these 2 in the rear to make sure we keep them straight. The one harness at the front we can leave on there for now. And there's 2 locking tabs at this end of the control panel. We need to depress those while lifting up slightly on the control board. And lift that end up and out. Now we need to release these 2 tabs and remove the final part, and we have the control board out. We discard that. Snap this back into place. Next we have 2 tabs on the rear end of that control board that will fit into 2 slots on the control panel. We'll locate those and lock them into place. Make sure we keep our membrane switch up and out of the way. Snap that in until the 2 locking tabs on the opposite end engage. We can reinstall the wire harnesses. Reinstall the membrane switch. Make sure it's firmly pressed onto the control board. Make sure all the harness connections are tight, and we're ready to reinstall the control panel to the door. Next we'll reinstall the control panel in its proper position. Hold it in place and put a couple of screws in at the top first. Next, we'll reconnect the power and then test for operation. And our repair is complete.